Hello, everybody. Nice to have you here. Nice to have you here. It's not our live, but today is one more video on the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seven is a lucky number. 7 cryptocurrencies that I believe have a tremendous potential to invest now and to get a very good gains when it goes back up. Bear in mind, this is not a financial advice, right? So we encourage you to do your own research. Let me change here the setup so it goes up a little bit. If you're already here, if it's your first time here, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow us on Twitter, Papa Bitbrother, Casquinha Crypto. On Twitter, because our tweet is going very, 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 very nice. All right. The first coin I'm gonna share with you, it's gonna be pulsex. Casquinha, but the coin is out already. Not yet. But pulsex have an tremendous potential, and I'm not even gonna say pulsex alone. So I'm going to talk about in general Hex, pulsex, and Pulse Chain. Bear in mind, the Pulse Chain is going to be launched. We don't know exactly. There is no date exactly when pulsex and Pulse Chain going to be launched, but I'm guessing around end of February, beginning of March. I'm guessing. Okay. If you have not yet sacrificed, you cannot buy the coin yet. So if it's your first time here and you don't know what I'm talking about, pulsex is going to be is the fork of Uniswap, and Pulse Chain is the fork of Ethereum. So they're going to work, they will be working similar, right? On your own chain. So the Pulse Chain. Okay. And this is second and third project from Richard Hart. And his first project was Hex. And why I believe those are top coins for your investments. Bear in mind, this is not a financial advice. So what's going on here? Nothing. So it's not a financial advice, but I think they have tremendous potential to explode. So the only way to get Pulse Chain now would be sacrificing for pulsex, and on the first and second day, probably you will be able to change pulsex for Pulse Chain if this is what you would like to do. I don't think it's going to be 1-to-1, but at 100% in a better rate. That's when the bridge open. So it will be a bridge as well to bridge from Ethereum to Pulse Chain. Yes, it will be, and you will get a free pair. So if you have 500 hex, you will have 500 hex on Pulse Chain as well, where you will be able to pair to do to put in a pool and then to yield farm and get LP, okay, to liquidity provide. So you provide liquidity on those pairs. So pulsex and Pulse Chain. My third coin would be Hex. Is the first project from Mr. Hart. And as you can see here on the main chart, if you have not yet seen my video, I posted a video 2 days ago where I believe the pulsex or Pulse Chain will do a similar run than Hex. And I go from the launch of Hex all the way from where it is today. It's a very nice video, and maybe you should go and have a look. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. But as you can see here, it's like if you went back on the 27th of August last year for you to buy your Hex. 23 of August. It's like if you went back all the way, not knowing that Hex would get up to 50 cents, 48, 49 cents on the all-time high. So I think Hex is a very, very, very amazing project to get in, especially if it's for long term and to stake. And if you go to stake, basically you go here, go to the site, You'll be able to connect your MetaMask, and you will be able to stake on the site. And more you stake, more rewards you will have, if my internet works. Okay, so the more you stake, the longer you stake, more you will have in T shares. And you can go to the hex.com to have more information on that. So my third coins would be Hex. Okay, next coins would be Solana, for obvious reason. I believe Solana have an tremendous potential to go powerful for developers, faster for everybody. If we look here in Solana, transaction per second are 2,779. Total transaction is a non-stop total transaction. See, keep going up, keep going up. Average cost per transactions is 0.00025. Is nothing compared to gas fee in Ethereum. Nothing compared to gas fee in Ethereum. Is the fastest growing ecosystem. So Solana, guys, have a tremendous potential to go back to all-time high, which was here at $258. And now, and it's here, now it sits here at 91, but it's almost like if you went back in time here to 90, back in, again in August, 28th of August, not knowing that Solana would get to $258 all the way on the top here. So Solana is my next cryptocurrency that I believe have an tremendous potential. Low cost forever, fast forever. As we saw here, is very fast, decentralized, and unstoppable. So check the sites. There is a lot within the Solana ecosystem. Like I said here, power is for developers plus for everyone else. So I believe Solana have an tremendous potential to grow on when the market turn around and go back up. Remember, this is not a financial advice, but especially if you are looking to a long investment. Okay, and my next would be BNB. BNB until January last year, it had a very relaxed, I would say, growth, a relaxed growth, but then it just exploded. And then, of course, we had a very big consolidated down here from June, I believe, from May until July was around $200, $226. But if we see now, it went back all the way to $370. Bear in mind that their all-time high, it was around $660, over $600, and now it's like buying half of the price. I believe BNB have, it will literally just grow because of Binance.com and all the potential that Binance have. So I strongly believe that BNB would be something that investing now would be a great investment, especially if it's a long-term investment. So it's, look, if you look here, it's like going back all the way here to January, March, April. It's like going back to April. It's like going back to April here to buy again. So it's by half of the price that it was in the all-time high. So do I think it would go back all the way here to 200? It could be. It could go down to 200, but I think very unlikely now that to happen. Very unlikely, unless we have a confirmed 100% bear market where everything will fall to. If we put in trade view here, just for us to see how much has BNB fall on this crash, that would be 33% could fall like it did here in May. And because in May, it fell all the way down to 69, 70%. So if it fell to 70% now, if it's a confirming bear market and fell 70%, we would be counting around $144. Would that be possible? Maybe, maybe. But it's not, that's what I said. That's why I said it's a long term. So if you're buying for a long term, even if it falls for 144 and you don't want to wait, you could get in now and just basically wait until the next bull run in order to ultra pass the all-time high, and you're still gonna be doubling your money, right? But because we don't know yet how the market is responding, if it's gonna be a bear market 100%, so we need to wait and see how it goes. All right, my next cryptocurrency would be VLaunch, and the reason why VLaunch, because it's a launch pad and the reward staking. So you stake and you get more VLaunch. And I believe it's something very, 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 very good. So if you get 1,000 VPAD, for example, and you stake it for 1 or 2 years, you can get some sweet rewards. Plus you would be able to get into some free IDOs, and not free because you're staking, but still you would be getting to free IDOs and some other premiums IDOs, which would be just amazing. And the communities are amazing because it's backed by a lot of influencer. All right, so VPAD, I believe, would be an amazing extra cryptocurrency for you to join. And on my other cryptocurrency would be Sovereign. Why? Because it's to do with Bitcoins. Okay, by having sovereign coins, you can stake on the Sovereign platform. I have showed here before on our channel. You would be able to see here. You would be able to go to the DApp. You can lend, borrow, merge trading, lend, everything here, stake with coins, plus using Bitcoin. So basically you are using Bitcoins on DeFi, and this is amazing because, as they say here, we are building decentralized finance on Bitcoins, meaning now with these coins you don't only need anymore only use Bitcoins for store value. Now you can actually use Bitcoins for staking, you can use Bitcoin for lending, for borrowing, and for merge trading. So it's unbelievable. And inside the Sovereign DApp, there is many other sub protocol that will help you do millions of things. For example, borrow and lend with zero interest. You can there is a launchpad sub protocol. In fact, here in the channel I have done a series of videos on Sovereign, so please go there and have a look. It's very nice, and you will learn a lot about what to do with your Bitcoin. Plus the Sovereign token, if you go up here, the all-time high was $37, and now it's at $5. So when everything goes back up, look the amount of money that you can do. Guys, Sovereign, it will be an explosion when it goes back to the all-time high. If you invest now, maybe you will get your money all the way up there to 39, 40, or even more. And plus the amount of things you can do with the coin, right? With Sov. So amazing protocol, you can look. And our last coin, but not least, would be Dogecoin. Casquinha, but it's a meme coin. I know, but look, it's like if you have gone back all the way here to 12 cents on 14th of April. 14th of April. And look, it came all the way up here. Dogecoin came all the way here to almost 70 cents. It's at 14 now. It's at 14. And remember, Dogecoin is between the 10 first coins on CoinGecko, CoinMarkup. So I believe Dogecoin is your coin also to keep your eyes open. I'm not saying you should invest on a meme coin, and I'm saying Dogecoin is the coins to invest. but it's a coins that I believe that have a potential. If it goes back up again, especially if Elon Musk shields Dogecoin all the time, that you can get some sweet profits on your money, and of course change and then swap your money to a great protocol, because Doge is still a meme coin, correct? That's that, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, smash the like button, and subscribe to the channel, because like this you help Bitbrothers and crypto activos to grow. And Papa is already calling me up for our live. I'll see you guys on the next video.